Welcome grade 2 to Think and Discover channel. Today we will continue theme 3 How the World Works, chapter 1 The Nile I Know, lesson 6. Lesson 6 talks about revision of erosion, tour city, schedule of a tour day. Definition of erosion. Erosion is a change in the shape of things around us by the effect of wind and water over time. We have exercise number 1 in your book. He gave me vocabulary word erosion. Think about your own definition for the new word. Complete the chart. He wants me to put the word I will define, and I will write my definition and put a picture as an illustration. Vocabulary word, we will write erosion. My definition for erosion word: erosion is a change in the shape of things by effect of water and wind by over time. Here I put a picture illustrates the word erosion. He asks me to give an example of how erosion affects land. Sand dunes are formed by wind. This is an example of erosion. Next, tour my city. Tour my city. Use what you know about your city to create a schedule for tourists to visit. If you have tourists will visit your city, what are places you want them to visit? Number 1, our tour for tourists. We will write tourists. He wants you to write 4 places to visit in your city. Our city here is Malawi. We want to write 4 places tourists can visit in Malawi. I write number 1, Malawi Museum. Number 2, Mubarak Park. Number 3, Tuna al-Jabal Monuments. Number 4, Tel el-Amarna. Next, he wants you to write a schedule for tour city. He gives you 3 columns. Number 1, time. Number 2, site. Number 3, what to see or do. Number 1, time. At 10 o'clock a.m. What are sites the tourists will visit, and what to see or do there? My answer to this question, I will write at 10 o'clock a.m. the site Malawi Museum. What to see or do? Seeing monuments. At 12 o'clock p.m. Mubarak Park. What to see or do? Playing football. Then we will go to a restaurant to eat lunch. At last, at 4 o'clock p.m. we will go to Tuna al-Jabal, also to see monuments. New words we have in this lesson: tour, tourists, visit, city. I want you to answer this activity. Activity number 1. Look at the pyramids picture and match with the suitable word. And also all the pictures. The words are pyramids, tourists, park. Thank you for your watching. See you in the next video.